Hi Moto Mods. Today we have a 2017 Chevy Silverado. I'm going to go over one of the common problems that happens with these trucks. If you're driving down the road and you hear some vibrating noises, most commonly it's going to come from inside the cab. You'll hear it kind of down underneath the steering column here. If you pop this panel down, there's about 2 screws and a couple clips, and it'll come down. These 4 screws here, there's 2 here and 2 here. These come loose and it causes everything to vibrate. It's kind of annoying, but it's an easy fix to tighten these up. One of the common problems here is this metal plate will vibrate on these studs, and if you look close, you'll see a gap right here when I press down on it, and that usually causes the vibrations. So a common solution would be to buy a washer that has a slot in the side of it, and it'll kind of look like this, where the center circle is actually going to be cut all the way out to the outside of the washer. What you can do is, on this metal plate, if you squeeze it and you get the gap here, you can take the washer and slide it into place. And if you need to, you can put a piece of tape over it just to hold it. But that should work. It should have enough force between the cushion of the styrofoam to hold it in place. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you later.